Steve, great win that.
Superb win. Any win's a great win, isn't it? You know, we've gone to 2 tough away games in the space of 4 or 5 days. Picked up 6 points. 6 points. You've got to be happy.
And with that, you're up to second in the table.
Means nothing now, does it? 5 games in. It's nice to be there, but you know, let's have a look at it after 10, 12 games. See where we are then. But you know, we've started really well.
We've not played in a chunk for 5-10 minutes, and that's a mindset, that's a mentality. And yeah, really frustrating that we get punished, because teams in this league will punish you, especially Bala with, you know, Cei Connah and Hussein's good players, and they'll take their opportunities when they come to us, and that was the message. They will get a chance and they will take it. So yeah, really frustrating on that element. So yeah, things to look at for sure.
Listen, you know, we've got an unbelievable set of lads in that dressing room. You know, if you go back to 5 weeks ago, we had 4 players signed on. We've had a total rebuild. For the lads to come in, bond so quickly and gel together, it's just great to watch. And you know, the unity in the dressing room is superb, and sometimes that gets you a long way, doesn't it?
You had a few players missing this evening through a combination of injuries and international call-ups. What difference did that make?
I don't think it did in regards to how we played. I think, you know, when any team without Declan, Paul, Max Woodcock, Abdi Sharif are going to miss them. And yeah, maybe we did miss them tonight in regards to that final bit, because we worked the ball really well, got the ball into the final third, and our quality was just nowhere near good enough today. So of course we miss anyone when they're out of the squad. Of course we miss the quality of and the calibre of player of those 3 mentioned. Yes, obviously we wish Abdi well in these international, as we do with Kit this weekend coming. But as a manager of Connah's Key, I'm always going to want to make sure my best players are available, and maybe 3 of them weren't available tonight. So far this season, Declan, Max and Abdi have done really well for us, so I think anyone losing them players, it's going to be a miss. But yeah, we have to crack on.